Hello. Happy Friday, February 9th. Welcome to Opportunity Hack, High School Hack for UN Goals, the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These are goals that are aiming to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure peace and prosperity for everyone by 2030. You, ideally, are here because you want to work with another team of high schoolers or by yourself to tackle real-world challenges, compete for some prizes, and make the world a better place. We are here for the next 20 days till February 29th to build anything that we can think of that solves one of these 17 UN goals. No poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, and so on. You've got all of these available to you to brainstorm, think about what you might do to solve these problems. Now, here is our dev post page. This is what we're going to use throughout the hackathon for you to submit your projects. Judges will use this to judge your projects. You can communicate with us through the discussions tab over here. We'll send out updates on the updates tab. All of your projects, when you're done, can be used for your college applications, can be used for jobs. Those will show up in the project gallery. But first, Opportunity Hack. What is it? If you head over to un.ohack.dev, this is our development platform where we have new and upcoming events and our mission and more about us in About Us. We've been around since 2013. We were originally founded by eBay and /PayPal. We were founded by people who wanted to do better for the world. And since then, for the last 11 years, we've been holding hackathons in various forms to help nonprofits and non-government organizations achieve their goals. So you can read more about us here. You can read about our pledge and whatnot. Thanks for being here. Let's jump back to the hackathon. So here we're looking for you to potentially write code, do a design, anything you can think of to solve one of those UN17 problems. You're going to receive some guidance and feedback from mentors in Slack. If you haven't already joined Slack, please join our Slack community. Any of these solutions can be created through anything you think is possible. You could use AI, which is the new hot cool thing, VR or AR, you can write software, you can do stuff with hardware, anything is up to you. You have 20 days to work by yourself or with others to build this out. You want to focus on making a minimum viable product. You can mock things up, you can use Canva, you can build a website, you can build a game, anything to solve these 17 problems. When you're done, we are going to ask for you to submit a 4-minute video, where about 30 seconds of it explains who you are, who your team is. Another 30 seconds just touching on which of the 17 problems did you solve. A minute to talk about the problem, and 2 minutes to tell us how you solved it. Walk us through that solution. We have some prizes right now. We have $925 worth of prizes to give out. And if people start going to here, our hackathon page, which is un.ohack.dev, and donate to fund prizes, we will increase the prize money by however much we get donated. 100% of these donations will go to fund more prize money across all of the prizes that we're giving away. We will continue to add judges, and the key thing to call out here is the judging criteria that's down here. So we're looking for you to align with one of those sustainable development goals. That's the first thing. Second thing is, what impact and scalability does your project bring? How much in terms of innovation and creativity does your project have? Is it pretty mind-blowing? Is it crazy? And is it feasible? That's the other side of that. So you might have an amazing, innovative idea, but we also want to make sure it's feasible. And finally, how effective do you present? One of the main things about presenting for a hackathon is making sure that you convey to everyone else the problem and how you solve it. So we're going to look for a really good presentation communication. That's something that will help you throughout your career. Okay, let's transition over to the hackathon. So we run everything through Slack. If you go to un.ohack.dev and click create an OHAC Slack account, then you'll be able to log in. After you log in, there we go. After you log in, you'll see your pretty name up at the top right. You'll be able to view your profile, but the most important thing is you'll jump into the hackathon right here. You'll click on the nonprofit United Nations that we're supporting. You'll read through the different problems that you can solve. So maybe you want to solve zero hunger. You're going to slide this to the right to help right here. You're going to say that you're helping as a hacker, which is down here right there. Click that, and that sends a message to this Slack channel, goal to zero hunger. And now you can join that Slack channel to start discussing what the problem is and how you might solve it. If you are a mentor and you want to help out on a specific problem, let's say you're not a high school student, but you would like to help out, you can click Help as Mentor. That will help us determine who's helping to be a mentor. If you no longer want to be a mentor, you can click that again and click Withdraw Help. But that's how we help both hackers and mentors connect in Slack channels for a given problem. Okay, we've talked a lot today. So as a reminder, first thing to do is register on DevPost. Join this hackathon here. Second thing is go to ohack.dev, create a Slack account, log in, head over to the hackathon page, jump into the United Nations nonprofit page, pick a goal you would like to solve, slide that slider to tell us you want to help, jump in the Slack, and let's start hacking. Thank you.